we're not Palestine, we're Israel. There is no country that call Palestine.
Very good dah. How old are you? Aduh, petakilan bahasa Jawa. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa sih? How old are you?
I'm 14.
Secernace. What is secernace? 13.
14.
Oh, 14. Iya. And you, the behind, what's your name? Iya. Kevin De Bruyne ente versi cewek. Polandia very good. Very piękna. Iya, thank you ya dah. You brush your teeth every day. Your teeth very white. Iya, very clear. Good. Tak. Iya, you have Instagram nggak?
No, yeah.
You need have Instagram. Why you don't use Instagram? Use Instagram. You come to Indonesia and you will be selebgram. You will be contest with Awkarin dah. Nanti yang bakal nyanyiin Awkarin. You go to Indonesia, my country. Sini to the beach. The beach is beautiful. You are beautiful. Kamu cantik dari belakang. I wanna sing a song for you. Apa ya? I want you to know, here I am, waiting for you so long. Though I have to spend the entire of my life and hoping that my love for you is eternal forever and ever. And please let me to cuddle into you just for one moment, to say goodbye forever, oh my sweetheart. And please let my feeling be happy just for one moment. Wow, how is my voice? Good. Very good dah. Kenya, are you from Kenya?
Yes,
my friend.
Yes. Wow.
I am from Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Do you know Indonesia, my friend?
Yes, I love Indonesia.
Why you like Indonesia? What's your name, brotherku?
I am Malik.
Oh, Malik, Zain Malik from One Direction.
Yeah, from One Direction.
One Direction.
What about your name?
Apa? What?
What's your name?
My name is Tembakan Omega.
Yeah? What's that?
Tembakan Omega. I write.
You have guys over there?
Tembakan Omega. Tuh. Tembakan Omega.
Tembakan Omega.
Iya. Wah.
Okay.
You
have guys over there.
Your teeth very shining.
Yes. I want girls.
Oh, you brush your teeth every day?
Yeah.
You brush your teeth every day? Your teeth? You brush your teeth. Wah, very shining.
Yes. Like
Shining, shimmering, splendid. Is there many cheetah in your country?
Yeah.
Is there many cheetah in your country?
Yes.
Oh, cheetah and lion chasing the deer. You are Israel, yeah. You are in Israel. Oh, iya.
You like Israel?
Why Israel always war with Palestine?
No war. Not always war.
Oh, not always war.
No, always
because
war.
you.
No.
Because you're
all the world think that we have war in here, but it's not true.
Oh, you not war with Palestine. Yeah. You war
No,
with
no. We know Palestine. We not Palestine. We Israel. There is no country that call Palestine.
Oh gitu. Ah, you maybe colonizing Palestine kali. You send rocket to Hamas ya? Yeah. Gede doang nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia. Gede doang ente. Iya.
Speak English.
You speak English lah.
No, speak English.
Iya.
English. Yes, no. Помало.
Yes.
Yes.
Iya. Lu tentara lu. Iya.
Oh, ja, bitte. Danke schön. Mein Busen explodiert in 2 Minuten.
Oh, you army.
Wie?
Ah.
Wie?
Orang gua tanya, you nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.
English. Yes.
Yes, no doang lo gitu, Angkio.
Ja, bitte. Ja.
Yes, no.
Yes, no. Помало.
Iya. Only
50-50.
50-50. You join quiz. 50-50. Iya.
Wow.
Iya, kalau join quiz 50-50.
50-50.
50-50. Kurva, tau gak kurva?
Lapo.
Kurva, lapo-lapo mah tempat makan orang Batak.
Yes.
Kurva. Gitu.
Udah.
Iya. Dia panyemanyu. Mu cacing, mu nyenyo.
Gini.
Mu cacing, mu nyenyo. Udah bang, bocah lu. Putih banget lu.
Ja.
Look, you very white.
White.
You have skincare.
Gewalt is prima to uso.
Skincare, Panjul. Muka lu tuh halus gitu. Your face is not geradagan.
Yes.
Not geradagan. Halus kulit ente. Pakai apa tuh? Gak mungkin dong air wudhu, ya kan?
COVID. That nice.
COVID. Iya, you get infected by COVID ya.
Oh, wow, тому свято разумем.
Hah? Belum dapat bansos.
Saya разумем.
Jangan nanya gua. Lu yang nggak dapat bansos, ngapain nanya gua lo? Tanya presiden lo. Ini korupsi kali bensosnya.
Yes.
Bener kan? Belum kan? Cek Google coba. Gitu. Ada.
Loot, George, loot.
Ikut. Bro, lu nggak ikut prakerja? Ikut nggak? Lu prakerja?
Ya.
Oh, ikut. Tadi ikut deh. Bang. Lucu deh. Dia ngomong nggak nyambung, cuman nggak skip. Jam kayak bagus tuh, Bang.
Tepat ikut kineza berata.
Hah? Mau dijamret?
Как сюда?
Aduh panco. Ayo adu panco. Nek gitu. Ayo. Nek gitu. Iya. Panco.
Yes.
Arm wrestler. Iya.
Yes.
Iya. You join UFC. Iya. You fight Khabib Nurmagomedov. Iya. You cocok. Ente. Fight McGregor. Join dong ente. Jangan menang serem doang ente. Terpesona Aku terpesona menatap wajahmu mirip Putin. Where city do you live in?
What?
Where city do you live in? You live in Warsaw?
No.
Oh no, you from Krakow.
No.
Oh, you actually from Poznan.
Wrocław.
Ah,
Wrocław.
Groslav.
Wrocław.
Oh,
Yes,
Groslav. Iya, sebelahnya Pancoran. Very good dah. You eat pierogi tiap hari every day. Iya, iya, pierogi, very delicious. Send me
I
pierogi
really
dong.
like.
You really like what? Really like pierogi, yeah. Pierogi, spaghetti, yeah. Very delicious. Iya, gue gak pernah makan, cuman ini gue ngoceh-ngoceh sendiri. Iya, lu tanya gue, Ki. Is there any gorengan? There, gorengan.
What?
Fried tempe. Have you ever eat tempe? Never.
What?
Tempe. Do you know tempe? Food. Oh, you don't know.
What food?
Iya, you don't know tempe? Tempe goreng? Fried tempe? Oh, you don't eat tempe.
What is that? Tempeh.
Is that like a soy fried? You don't understand ya? Nih, ini rezumiem dah.
No.
Iya, nggak apa-apa, no problem. Iya, you can speak English very well. Ada, lo nggak pernah makan gorengan, ente. Iya, you drink what? You drink vodka ya? You like vodka gak? Do you like vodka?
Kawa?
Vodka.
No.
Oh, you don't drink vodka ya?
And you?
No, neither. I am not drinking alcohol. I'm just drinking just juice, pop es. Just like ice cream. Yeah. Ice cream.
Yeah.
It makes you drunk. You teler ntar. Iya, lu ngomong dong. Aduh, diam-diam aja lu cakep, tapi komunikasi, two way communication. Yeah.